Welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today, Chef Tom is going to show you how to make seared scallops, and I'm going to show you how to make a pesto to go with some nice pappardelle pasta. Anyway, let's get cooking. All right, we're going to make a quick pesto for our scallops with pasta. Yeah. All we have is this basil, a couple of cloves of garlic, pine nuts, cheese, and salt and pepper, and that's all you need. And of course, olive oil. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the pine nuts, put them in there, and then a couple of cloves of garlic, and then the basil. Put that all in there like so. You want to make sure that your basil is washed and then dried before you put it in there. All right, now we're just going to go ahead and cover that up. And let her rip. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. And then we're going to go ahead and slowly pour the olive oil into the blender while it's on. Now for the final step. Go ahead and put some Romano cheese. Yum, yum. Pecorino Romano. I'm going to have the measurements of all this, of the ingredients in the description.
They can figure it out.
I'm going to go ahead and just push all this basil down back into the blender side so it gets fully chopped. Alright, looking good. Now we'll go ahead and put the pesto in the bowl here.
Looks good. Gonna be good.
Oh yeah. Alright, pesto's ready.
Now we're going to salt up water for our pappardelle. We're only going to do a couple boxes. And I got this from Central Market.
Egg pappardelle. Alright, Dominic's going to start getting his scallops all ready.
I'm going to salt and pepper flour. Very nice.
Look at that.
Those are dry scallops, by the way. They're not frozen. They're fresh. They don't freeze them. I wouldn't recommend it. You really can't pan-sear a frozen scallop. I put a little salt and pepper on the scallops, you know.
Sure. Once this pan gets hot, we'll start searing them scallops. Alright, well that pan's getting hot. We're going to go ahead and start cooking the pappardelle. These take about 12 to 13 minutes to cook, so not very long to cook the scallops. Everything's timed. Alright, I'll let that cook and we'll be back.
We're going to put some olive oil in the pan.
A little oil.
We're going to lower that a little bit. And then we're just going to put our scallops.
Dredge them in flour.
Dredge them in the flour. All right. We're going to put our scallops in here. They're getting there.
Oh yeah. How we looking there?
These are going to be ready in about a minute or so.
Pasta's going, almost ready. Alright. Scallops are ready. Oh, those are beautiful. Pasta off the stove.
Okay.
All right, We're gonna go ahead and mix up this parpadello with the fresh
Padella.
pesto that we just made. Look how beautiful
Look at
that
that, man.
All right.
Hurry up, I'm hungry.
I went ahead and put
That should
about
be
a quarter cup of pasta water in there. So this way it makes it a little more creamier. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and put some of this sun-dried tomato in here. I love it with pesto.
Perfect.
All right, we're gonna plate it. Now we're gonna go ahead and top it off with this beautiful, beautiful scallops. Beautiful.
And that's it.
And that's
I
it.
don't know what you guys are eating.
Oh man, look at that dish.
Beautiful dish.
Beautiful. All right. Let's eat. Let's dig in, Dom.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Oh yeah. Here's some of this parpadello. Let me try this scallop.
Wow. How are you? Good?
Very good. Wow. These scallops are the bomb. Very nice. Well, very good. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We have over 180 different recipes. And if you like the video, hit that like button and the notification button. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care.
Take care, guys.